Rewarded Play consistently receives fewer user complaints about tracking and payouts than Giraffe across recent App Store reviews, although neither app is completely free of issues. By the end of this video, you'll know where each app gets the most complaints, which one feels more reliable, and which one makes more sense depending on how you like to earn rewards. The short answer is that Rewarded Play has the better reputation for reliability. Users commonly report that game progress tracks more consistently, and reward redemption is usually straightforward. That does not mean every session is perfect, but complaints tend to be less frequent. Giraffe works in a similar way. You install sponsored games, play for a certain amount of time, or complete milestones, collect coins, and exchange those coins for gift cards or other rewards. The biggest criticism from users is inconsistent tracking. Some players say completed milestones do not register, while others report delayed rewards after spending time in a game. Rewarded Play has similar complaints, but they appear less often. Users still mention occasional tracking problems, or slower customer support during busy periods, but many reviews describe the overall experience as predictable once the app is set up correctly. Another difference is game selection. Giraffe regularly rotates new offers, which gives users more variety. The downside is that different game partners can have different tracking quality, so your experience may vary from one game to another. Rewarded Play focuses on a stable catalog of supported games. That can mean fewer new choices at times, but it also reduces surprises because the reward system is generally more consistent across its available offers. No matter which app you choose, there are few ways to avoid common problems. Allow the app to keep its required permissions. Install games only through the app's official links. Avoid uninstalling a game before rewards are credited. And keep screenshots of completed milestones if you ever need to contact support. If your priority is fewer complaints and a smoother experience, Rewarded Play is usually the safer choice. If you want more game variety and do not mind occasionally checking that rewards are tracking correctly, Giraffe can still be worth trying. The key points are simple. Rewarded Play has the stronger reputation for reliable tracking. Giraffe offers more variety, but receives more tracking-related complaints, and following the app's instructions carefully gives you the best chance of receiving your rewards. Try one app for a few days before committing your time, and if this video helped, like the video and subscribe for more straightforward app comparisons.